Audio Jungle.
Must hurry. But I'm Christine, Nabil. Can I buy some drink for you?
Yes, buy 2 more.
Okay. Nabil, it's drink for you. I buy.
Thank you, bro.
Jom, let's come into the lab.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to show you a video how to set up page panel at your home by yourself. Okay, let me define you what is a page panel. Page panel in a local area network, or is also known as a LAN, is a mounted hardware assembly that contains port used to connect and manage incoming and outgoing LAN. Patch panel are also referred to as patch bay, patch field or jackpot, and also commonly used in radio and television.
Okay, the benefit when we use the patch panel or install the patch panel can save the cost to connect the internet. Example, the laptop, the PC or the other device to connect the internet. Then it is convenient, easy people to install the internet at home. So easy. So the patch panel is the best connection to use when we want to connect the internet.
The thing to set up the patch panel is we use switch, laptop, straight cable, internet connection.
Okay, first we need 4 stack cable. This is 1 stack cable for laptop A, and this is second stack cable for laptop B, and 3 and 4 stack cable is for the switch. So first we need to connect the stack cable into the patch panel. So the connection are complete. The stack cable, all stack cable are put in the switch and laptop, so we'll be able to test the connection.
This is our IP address on laptop A, 10.40.100c.89 and in a bracket preferred. This is our IP address. Okay, then we go to the laptop B and we must find IP4 address and we must insert the letter IP config all and then we must enter. And then insert your IPv4 address. This your IPv4 address. This computer have internet access. You can open what you want.
Okay class, we can dismiss our class now. Before you left the lab, you must follow my instruction. What is my instruction? Do you know, right? You must follow that.
Yes, miss. After 2 hours, finally our class is dismissed. Very tired today. I'm very exhausted. Let's clean our lab.